Alright, I've got a Whirlpool commercial quality heavy duty washer along with a Kenmore heavy duty commercial quality dryer. Both are in excellent condition. Both work really well and have been restored to like new condition. Just want to do a video to show you that they work good, they sound good. That way you know what you are spending your money on works when you get it home and you plug it in. So right now this guy's going through the agitation portion of a normal cycle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it go ahead and finish up. And then we'll come back to the spin cycle so you can hear at full speed that this thing sounds great. And it gets those clothes spun nice and fast. Then we'll move over here to the dryer and you can see what they sound like inside the dryer. Otherwise the dryer sounds great. And I can show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So we'll take up internal temperature here right out of the heating element tube itself. Plenty of heat coming out, which in turn heats up the inside of the dryer, gets those clothes nice and dry. So pretty quiet, even both of them running side by side here. So I'll go ahead and pause it and we'll come back for the spin cycle. Okay, so just kicked over into the spin cycle and it is draining out the water from the rinse cycle. Here in just a second it'll start to spin. You'll get to see it and hear it going full blast. Alright, and it is on final spin. It's at full speed, nice and fast. Now, one thing to note on this one, lid switch has been bypassed, so you can actually open it and it's going to continue to spin. That's worth noting. Doesn't affect the operation other than you have to turn it off or push it in like you would normally to get it to stop. So not really ideal to stop it mid-spin cycle anyway. That's not recommended to lift the lid or to hit the stop. It's best to let it do it on its own, but that way you can at least see that it is spinning full speed, nice and fast, and it's nice and quiet. Very smooth operation. So we'll let that finish up and I'll move those over to the dryer. Okay, so I've got the dryer running. Get this cleaned out. It's nice and clean in there. As you can see, this one also sounds great with a full heavy load of laundry in it. So like I said, really the purpose was for you to be able to see that these work as described. They work great, and that you know what you're spending your money on works. When you get it home, plug it in, it's going to do the job for you. So I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. Thanks. Have a great day.